Now, this is a map. Map means mapping something. If some place is there and you want to show it to somebody in any way. So it's a drawing. It's basically a drawing. So whenever we talk about map, this area, this place, we need to show, to present. If I want to show globe, that is earth, that is I want to show you on a paper, what is the possibility? What are the possibility? The best possibility is that I want to portray it on a paper. I have to map this round shape onto a planar shape, onto a plane shape. That is whole earth or a country or even your community. So that community level, this is a map showing a simple community, very small community. So how does this map looks? What are the factors? What are the elements? The first thing is that if you are living here, you know that this is a playground. And the person who don't know this, if you put this paper in front of him, he will know that, okay, this is the khel ka maidan, or this is the place where you play. This is your house. This is a school. So one thing here is the scale. This is a scale. And scale is 1 centimeter equals 10 meter. That means if you take a very small, that is a unit part, 1 centimeter part here, and that is representing 10 meter of actual ground. Actual 10 meter is shown here as 1 centimeter. You cannot show this whole in a paper. The area is quite big. So if you want to show it on a screen or a paper, you need to have a scale. That is, if I measure from here to here, and this is 10 centimeter, that means I am talking about 100 meters. I am talking about 100 meters. On paper, it's 10 centimeter. Actually, it's 100 meter. This is the scale, paimana. The second thing is the direction. Now, this direction is quite clear. It's north direction. It's a north direction. And if your house is here, that means that is north, south, east, west. So you are north and south and west. So your house is at southwest direction. That is, from this you can know the directions also. And the third thing is the legend. Legend is symbols. That is this, I don't know what is there, but when I see this green thing, I know that this is grass. And with this, I can know that this is a tree. And this is some trees with fruit. So I cannot say this as a fruit tree garden. I cannot say that. Because these symbols tells me that what exactly this place is for. Only by these symbols I can know things there. So these, because I'm not knowing it, I'm from outside and I have this map in front of me. So I can know that what all is there because of the symbols, because of the north direction, because of the scale. This is post office. There is a well also, right? So this is the basic element here. Now let me start with map. Map is a representation. It's a drawing. And you take some part, this is your community part. Or you can take whole earth. You can take whole earth. There are different projection. Like there is a polyconic projection. We use polyconic projection. So because of this projection, we can put this round earth in planar form, that is map form. Right? There are different projection. And that projection can be utilized to put this round on a paper. But because this is round, you cannot, it's impossible. Because it's a round shape. You cannot put it all on the paper. It's impossible. So there are different types of maps. There are